Mark Richardson from Henty, New South Wales.
And what is this truck?
It's a 1985 W model, 125.
Literally just finished restoring it.
I did, yes.
And this is its very first trip.
First outing.
Did you get to drive it here?
I did.
And how did it ride?
Perfectly.
Do you have any notes of what needs gone over on the after you get it home?
No, it's pretty good.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Well, we've been talking about it a little bit, and before we get into some of the history on it and everything, what does it have for an engine and transmission?
It has a 400 Cummins engine with a 15-speed overdrive gearbox.
And do you know, is that original to the truck?
The gearbox is not, the engine is.
Mm-hmm. Was that one of the things that you had to change in your restoration?
Yes, it had a 14-speed spicer, but it was no good anymore, so we changed it out. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And I know this was a complete and total restoration.
Yes.
Right? How long did it take you?
Only 12 months.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
All
It was
right.
down to chassis rails.
Or chassis rails.
Chassis rails, yeah, that's right.
Translating.
Yeah.
No. What else along the way gave you some troubles or something difficult to find?
We changed the complete rear suspension to air suspension from torsion bar suspension. So we changed all that out, which was a pretty good, they'd done a pretty good job of that.
Yeah, was this all done in-house or did you take it to a...
No, another bloke done it for me, yeah. Diesel and Dirt in Waganya done it.
Well, they did an excellent job. Now, I'm sure people are going to ask about the color like someone just did as we were getting started here.
It's a Ford colour. It's 1981 Ford Burnt Orange.
And it's specifically painted this color. You repainted it, right?
Yes, it's been
But it was
completely
painted
repainted.
this color to match...
Originality when it was bought new.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And the owners had a Falcon?
The Falcon,
right?
yeah.
So they
yeah.
wanted it to match.
Yes.
Well, I love the stripe pattern and the colors and everything. Were you looking to restore one of these? Or?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Did you have to look hard to find it?
I actually wanted this truck, and a friend of mine knew where it was, and I went down and bought it on the spot.
Why this truck?
Because I knew the truck from Albury, from new.
Did you buy it from the
No,
original owners?
no.
Did you have to like pry it out of their hands?
No, he was actually ready to sell. The bloke that had it was
Good
selling
timing.
it. Yes, it was. It was original. Oh, the colours when I got it were where it is orange was burgundy, but it was all faded and
But they kept the same scheme?
same
They
scheme. Yeah.
Do you have pictures of it from ages ago
Yes.
that you took?
Yes.
Excellent. And now it's yours. Now I know we're on the wrong side really to look at the driver's seat.
Yeah.
Is this door unlocked?
Yes.
Take a peek inside.
The only thing we had to do on the inside was replace the floor and the floor mat. Everything else is original.
I think I've found that people over here, I don't know if it's because there's not the salt on the roads in the winter or if it's just, I don't know, the weather or the pride in the rides or something, but it seems like older trucks are in better condition.
Yep.
So probably weather related, right? Now you have a trucking company.
Yes, that's the one beside.
Yes, and your work trucks are
Yeah.
mighty beautiful also. How many trucks?
We only got the one now. We had three, but I drove one and the other son drove one, and I got out of driving and the other son went elsewhere, and so Steve drives that one.
When did you start driving?
When did I start driving?
Yeah.
Back in 1983.
Yeah, what was the first truck you got to ride or drive?
International 3070.
What were you hauling back then?
General freight on flat tops, or flatbeds as you used to call them.
And at some point, I'm guessing you decided you needed a Kenworth.
Oh, Kenworth's always been.
How many different models have you had? It seems like there are a lot over here.
Oh God, I can't remember. I've had some cab overs and mainly 909s. It's like the one beside us. It's probably a bit messy in there.
Is this someone's accommodations for the
Mine.
weekend? Yes.
Yeah.
I won't snoop in the back.
That's all right. It's only a doona in there and a filler.
But now that you've got to drive it for its first outing, what can you say is your absolute favorite thing about this truck?
Oh, it just drives so nice. Yeah, it's like a new truck to drive now. Yeah.
So do you have a list of truck shows you'll be going to?
I will, but I don't go to them all.
But you get to drive it for a
Yeah.
few, what is it, 60 days a year? Is that
Yeah,
how it
something like
works?
that it is, yeah.
Yeah. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I had to pry some people away so we could even do a video.
We put all new grill. We could buy it all brand new through Kenworth still.
Really?
Yeah, all brand new mirrors, all the roof lights, air horns, are all brand new.
Now say again what this model is called here.
A W model.
And in the States, it's an A model, right?
Oh, right, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's the same thing, though.
Yep.
It's just the name, right?
Yep.
Would this truck have been built in Australia?
Yes, it is. Yeah, it's Australian built. They started building trucks in Australia, I think, in 1969 or 70, around then.
We get to see the factory.
I've been
this
through it 4
week.
times, yeah. Which is interesting.
Well, thank you for sharing this. It's gorgeous.
And done. That's the first time we've ever done that.
You did a good job. You did a good job.
Thank you.